Hey guys, so I'm here at Starboard Village at 524. 521 is that last door down there that Travis will be doing where that pink thing is. There's renters in there today. Give you an idea of where we are on the beach. Just down from Peg Legs. Peg Legs is in between those colorful buildings and those tall buildings down there. All right, let's go in. This has a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, all tile. The HVAC system is right off here to the left. I cannot tell the age of this. I'll need to check the MLS or ask the listing agent. But this was stuck on there, so it's at least older than that, of August 7th of 2008. But it's blowing pretty nice in here, so it is cool. Right here to the right of the kitchen is the pantry. And then looking into the kitchen, the tile floors are throughout. Has some older appliances, but these are all wood cabinets. They did the tile backsplash. And then these are Korean countertops. But a good amount of storage on these. Just probably needs a little bit of an update. So off to the right here is your water heater and just some more storage. I'm believing that this is an 06, and that's what I'm kind of thinking that the HVAC is too. Right off to the right here is the half bath. There's me. So the same cabinets and then same countertops that are in the kitchen. It's a Korean. And they must have painted the ceiling. It's just, you know, not that great of a job. It was probably all gray and they painted it white. So they before had a lot of memorabilia. They still do. So I will say that there are a lot of nails still in the walls. They had a lot more in here when I showed it the last time. But good space in here. Area for the dining. So again, repair holes for all the memorabilia that they have. We'll get to that view in just a minute. It's really pretty out there, but good space. Other than having to hang a bunch of stuff. Good balcony size. There are some people out here in the pool, but your view of the water, which is just gorgeous today, and you can see a little rain shower out there. Flat as it can be. Really pretty. Pool is very nice. But very nice size balcony. They've got 2 grills out here. These are hurricane rated doors, so they are very heavy and it's very quiet, so can't hear anybody that's down there in the pool. All right, let's go upstairs. So again, like I said, there is a lot on the walls. So just to show you your nails. All right, master's off here to the right, so let's go off here to the left, and we'll stop here for the laundry. That door must be broken because it's just came out flat, or at least it's not on its rollers. Linen closet there. So coming in, this is a nice sized room. They have a lot of big pieces of furniture in here. So, but that looks to be a queen. They have a dresser there, another dresser, another dresser. And a very nice sized closet with even more storage up there. It's packed to the gills. So that's why I'm just saying, it's just a little bit of a squeeze right here. So I would suggest not having that dresser there. So coming in, same cabinets as downstairs, the Korean countertop there as well. Ceilings look to be in good shape. It's just a tub shower insert in here with that cultured marble. But a good size second bath. Start turning these lights out as I go. So yeah, just not having that right there. But anyways, and it does come fully furnished, she said. All right, coming in, good size master. And in 521, you're going to see that the master is a little bit larger than this one, and it's only because they created this another closet. So this wall actually would not be in 521. So they added this extra little section. So they shortened the master, is what I'm trying to get at, in a long way around. So very nice view up here. A little bit higher over the pool. We'll go out there in just a second. Here is his closet, which would just have been the only closet but they have double hanging shelves in there as well. And then so adding this wall, they created her closet. So it's the length, which is a good storage area. She even has a little makeup table here. And then coming into the master bath, double vanity, same cabinets, Korean countertops. They're all in still very good shape too. That mirror, seen better days, but that's just the moisture. And then same thing as the other bathroom, tub shower, cultured marble insert. All right. Shut these lights off as I go. We'll walk out here to do this view. Oh, that's open. So the doors are very, very heavy. Nice, wide open space out here. And then gorgeous view of the water. And then that would be your access of when I walk down the double stairs, just to walk down this corridor down here and then around the pool and then up over. And then you're out there at the beach. All right, let's go check out the garages. And I said garages because you get two. All right, let's take this down. So I had to go up 2 flights. So walk in that corridor there to the pool, and then right out is your access for the beach. So here are your 2 bays. So they obviously have taken their car. Here's their other car. This is their motorcycle. Actually, sorry, motorcycle's back there. Their grill, and then they've created this wall here. So you have all of this storage. Now, of course, they have access to this because there's another person's HVAC in here, but that would be only handyman service if they need to. But all of this and their motorcycle, so plenty of room for a golf cart if you're using this as short-term rental. And yeah, great space. So lock that back up. There we go. And then here, men's and women's bathrooms, the other ones on the other side. What great space. And just to show you the front of the building. Here are your 2 garage bays. Both are 524. And then your entrance right here. Oh, very nice. And then there's the front door. All right, well, that is it. Let us know if you have any questions.